I just woke up, so come with me as I make a delicious chocolatey breakfast treat using one of my favorite blends from Smoov. Today we're making overnight oats with the euphoric blend. It's 100% plant-based with just 6 chocolatey superfoods like cacao for a mood boost and matcha for balancing hormones. First things first, half a cup of oats followed by 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a couple of teaspoons of the euphoric blend depending on how chocolatey you like your oats. You can skip this step, but I'm adding a full scoop of protein because I wouldn't be me without it, a dash of salt to taste, and a tablespoon or so of maple syrup. There's no sweeteners like stevia or literally any other additives in the blend, so you can customize the sweetness to your liking. Finally, we're adding about 3/4 cup of almond milk depending on how you prefer your consistency. Shake that baby up and it's ready for the fridge. Remember, the longer you leave it in the fridge, the more the oats tend to soak up the milk, but you can always add more milk later. Now that our oats are ready, you can eat it just like this or add some toppings like I am. This blend is a great way to satisfy those chocolatey cravings and get the nutrients in. Check out smoov.ca for the most nutritious blends and more recipes just like this. Oh, and don't forget to happy dance.